back in a brand new video. I guess today we're doing a abandoned. Not abandoned. I forgot the name.
How's it going?
I think here's the inside. Yeah, here's the inside one. They're setting up for Halloween. That's nice. This is actually like Home Depot or something. But not similar to Home Depot, but still. Here's just a bunch of dog food. There's some things. There's more I can show you. There's something over there. And here's more dog food. Some toys. I think it's kind of riding a what is that thing? Over there's the customer service. Wait, why am I screwed like this? Why is my screwed like this? Ah, yes, the chickens. This is the thing, whatever that's called. That's cute, but that sounds cringe. Cringe, super cringe. This is cringe. Well, it's supposed to be cool, but it is cool. Ooh, mostly all of this is a bunch of dog food. And over there's this dog. There's more dog food. Oh, there's other animal food. I just cut the video. I need to do some random thing. Whew. No one's behind me for this, so I'm not scared. Whoa, this place is dark. Oh, the floor is dark, not the seal. I'm gonna do a abandoned Applebee's soon and a tour of Spirit Halloween, so catch that up if you can. Mostly all of this is just a lot of materials like Home Depot. Where are you, dog? What was that? Hey, there's signs like those I saw. See, a lot of times in Tucson. This is not in Tucson. This is in Green Valley. Sorry. Well, whew. This is the end. This is the beginning over here again. There was not that much I can show you, but I hope you like and subscribe. Oh, I hope you like and subscribe. Oh, where else I will find you? Just kidding. I think we finished. See ya.